In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Apple Music settings. Go ahead and launch Apple Music on your device. On an iPhone or iPad, tap the Apple Music icon on your home screen. On a Mac, click the Music app in your Dock or Applications folder. After it opens, you should see your usual Apple Music view, like Listen Now, Browse, or your library along the bottom or side. That tells you the app is fully loaded and ready, not still starting up. Give it a second if the covers are still popping in, so the menus respond smoothly. Now that Apple Music is open, tap the More button, the three dots. On iPhone, you will see those three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. On some Android devices, they can sit near the top or next to your profile picture. When you tap it, a small menu drops down or slides up over your music. You will still see part of your previous screen in the background, so you know you have not left the app. You are just looking at a quick options list. From there, tap Settings. This word may appear in that menu with a small gear icon beside it. Once you tap Settings, the view will switch from your music to a new screen focused on options and toggles. You will notice that instead of albums and playlists, the screen is now mostly text items grouped by headings. This confirms you are in the right place to adjust how Apple Music behaves on your device. With settings open, you will then have access to the app settings like library, audio, download options, data, display options, and more. Scroll slowly so you can see each group. In the library section, you will find options that control how your music collection appears, such as showing only downloaded tracks or your full cloud library. Changing these does not delete music, it only changes what is visible. In the audio area, you can adjust sound quality, maybe enable lossless or change equalizer settings, and those choices affect how rich or compressed your music sounds through your headphones or speakers. A little further down, download options let you decide whether new songs are saved to your device automatically or only streamed. This is where you can manage how much local storage Apple Music uses, which really matters on phones with limited space. In the data section, you will see controls for using mobile data or Wi-Fi only. If you turn off mobile data for high-quality streaming or downloads, songs will wait until you are on Wi-Fi, which helps avoid surprise data charges. Under display options, you can manage things like animated artwork or motion effects, so the app can look cleaner and sometimes feel faster on older devices. As you adjust these areas, most changes apply right away without any extra save button, so you can back out whenever you are done and keep listening. You have now launched Apple Music, opened the More menu, gone into Settings, and explored the key sections that control how the app looks, sounds, and uses data. If this helped you get Apple Music tuned the way you like it, please give the video a thumbs up, and maybe subscribe for more quick Apple Music tips.